Instagram Threads tutorial, how to use Instagram Threads app. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at a mobile app that has just been released by Instagram. Yes, we are talking about Instagram Threads. Now, if you have a look over here, that's what the icon looks like. We can jump into our Play Store and we can download it straight from there. It's just a couple meg. It's like 28 meg, so it's not very big. And once you have downloaded it, you can just tap on the application. You can now link your Instagram account. So what you can do is, if you have more than one Instagram account, you can just tap on switch accounts right at the bottom here, and then you can choose the account that you actually want to link into your Threads app. So I'm going to choose this, in essence, photography, right over here, and it's going to basically, I'm going to get an email just to say that there's been a login, and then you can either allow your notifications to be sent to your phone or not. I'm going to say don't allow, and then this is what the home page looks like. So right over here, you can see everyone that has created threads. Right over here, you can see Mr. Beast. He's saying, I feel like I'm cheating on Twitter by using this app. There are 1,200 replies and 8,500 likes. So if you have a look on the top right hand side, you can actually just tap these three dots. You now have the option either to mute the post, you can hide it, you can block it, or you can report it. Once you actually go in there, you can see all the replies over here, and then you can also interact with all the replies. You can mute, hide, so forth. You can like, you can comment on a reply. You can also repost, and you can share these posts. As you can see down over here, there's a bunch of people that have actually commented on this thread. So that's basically what it is. If you go down to the bottom of the page, you'll see a toolbar, and starting from the left hand side, you'll see your home button, and that brings you to right where we are over here. And then you have the search icon where you can search either for people, accounts, posts, tags, whatever the case may be, and you can find it all right over here. The next thing I want to show you is, in actual fact, how to create a new thread. So right over here, you tap on this center button over here. It looks like a little pencil, and now you can create a new thread. So I'm going to create a thread now, and I'm going to show you how you create it and what you can actually do with it. Right, so I have just entered the actual thread itself. You can also attach stuff from your gallery. So if you want to attach an image right over there, you can. And then you can also actually reply or comment on your own thread before it's actually posted. And that's this add to your thread right over here. And you can just add right over here whatever you need to add. Basically, I've replied to my own thread, and then you can just add another and add another. You keep on tapping on add to thread, and then you can just remove it if you want to with the little X on the right hand side over there. And once you've done that, you can go down just to the bottom of the page here. You can see it says anyone can reply, and if you tap on that, it gives you the options as to who can reply. So it's either anyone, so that means it's completely public, and then profiles you follow, and that means only people that you follow will be able to reply on your thread. And then only mentions, so if you are mentioning anybody in your thread, these are the only people that will be able to reply or comment on your thread. So we're going to leave it at anyone because we do want it to be completely public if we want more exposure. And then on the bottom right hand side, you are going to tap on post, and it'll now post your new thread. Now it'll come up on your home page right over here, and at the bottom, as you can see, it says posted. And if we go over now to the little heart at the bottom of the page, you can see all of your recent activities, your replies, your mentions, and all your verified accounts and posts. Then you have your personal profile on the right hand side. So this is basically your profile where you can edit your profile. You can make all the changes that you need to. Right on the edit profile tab over here, you can change everything you need to change over there. And then if you go back, you will also have the share profile. So you can now share your profile to any one of these platforms, and then you have all your threads listed right over here. And then you can also just see all of your replies over here on this replies tab. Now, going up to the top right hand side, if you tap the little Instagram icon, it will actually jump you straight into your Instagram account, so you can easily navigate between the two. Going back now, back onto Instagram threads. On the top right hand side, there is a drop down menu, and here you can follow and invite friends. You can manage your notifications, your privacy, your personal details in your account. You can also change your language. There's a help tab, and then about the actual app. And if you need to now log out, you can tap on the log out at the bottom of the settings menu. Now, let's say perhaps you would like to take this account and remove it from threads. All you need to do is go into the top over here and tap on account, and then we can just say deactivate profile. And once you tap that, it'll say, are you sure you want to deactivate your threads profile? It also says deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile, your threads, replies, and likes will be hidden until you reactivate it by logging back in. It also states that this will not affect your Instagram account. You can just tap on deactivate threads profile, and it'll take you straight back out, and you can now log back in, or you can log back in with a different account. And that is pretty much how you use your Instagram Threads app. As you can see over here as well, on this page, you can show some love, you can comment, you can also, on this one over here, repost, or you can quote. And then you can also just share this to your story in Instagram. You can post it to your feed. You can copy the link and share it wherever else you want to share it. And then you can tap on share via, and there's a bunch of other apps you can actually just share that straight onto. And there we go, Instagram Threads app. That's how you use it. It's very straightforward. It's very simple. And if you already have an Instagram account, it'll be so easy to use because the interface is pretty much the same. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, best you do, because we put out content that will help you get through some of the difficult software that has been released on the daily. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.